Here's an example about insurance companies and their expected payout. So, based on historical data, an insurance company estimates that a particular customer has a 3.8% likelihood of having an accident in the next year, automobile accident. So, with the average insurance payout being $2,500. If the company charges this customer an annual premium of $350, what is the company's expected value of this insurance policy? Okay, so how do we do this? Well, you should go to the exam 2 notes. So if you look down here I have them handy. This right here, let me write it. This is the exam number 2 notes. Exam 2 notes. Right here on number 2, we have, let me write that a little better. We have gambling or insurance. So that's what we're talking about, insurance. So if the problem says expected value for you, or if the problem says expected value for the company, which one did ours say? Let's look back at the words closely. What is the company's expected value? For the company, so it's this one. This is our formula right here. Dollars of the cost minus probability of payout times dollars of the payout. Okay, let's write that down. So it's going to be, let me write it. So this is expected value for the company equals dollars of the cost minus probability of payout times dollars of payout. So the dollars of the cost. What is the cost? Annual premium $350. $350 minus the probability of the payout. What's the probability of the payout? Well, they have to pay out there, so that make that a decimal 0.038, right? We take that 3.8%, we go back 2 places, and so we get 0.03. That's the probability that a person's going to have an accident and the company has to pay out. That's the probability, the likelihood that they're going to have to pay out to the customer on that policy, times the payout. How much are they going to have to pay out if they have to pay out? $2,500. So on your calculator, type this in. 350 minus 0.038 times 2,500. I'm going to do that right now. 350 minus 0.038 times 2,500. I'm getting $255. So there's our answer. Just like that, $255. What is that? Expected value is the same as average value. In other words, on average, this company is going to make $255 per policy. Now, what does that mean on average? Because really, they're only going to make $300. If the customer does not have an accident during the year, then the insurance company will get $350, right? That's what they get paid, right? But a few of the customers will have an accident, and they'll be paid. The average payout will be $2,500. So when you figure out overall, like if they sell thousands and thousands of policies, and most of them don't have any accidents, they just collect the $350. A few have accidents. About 3.8% have accidents, and they pay $2,500 on average for each of those accidents. When all is said and done, it's like they're going to make $255 per policy. That's the average value or the expected value. That's what they can expect on average to collect per policy, $255. That's how insurance companies know that they're going to make money on a policy, is they do this exact calculation so that they know on average, even though they're going to pay out on some and they'll lose money on those, when all is said and done, on average, they're going to make about $255